I have. Ooh, aren't you lucky? Okay, today.
I'm Eleni.
Oh yeah, I'm Alexis, BTW. Okay, we're gonna do hair.
And this is Shay.
Our
Our dummy today.
You called me a dummy. Sit down. Hurry up and sit down.
This is a tutorial on
How to do hair.
how to do hair, I guess.
Get your big head up. Okay. What are we gonna do today, Master Lady? Braid.
Pigtails.
Oh no!
And it can be anyway. Going down. The line doesn't have to be straight, as you can see. We're gonna make anything.
Ow!
Poking the eye is necessary.
No, it's not.
We're gonna make her have bangs today.
Oh, yeah, pigtail and bangs.
Ew. Oh, okay. You can't. Stop. You can't.
Like one big bottle right here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Right here.
Are you kidding me?
You would like to grab a chunk of hair, yet she doesn't have any.
Do have hair.
Wait, grab the bangs.
Oh. What are you, my mama? Well, Mount Everest. Ow!
Your big ears. Your hair's so thick. It looks so nice and it's so tangled.
Ow.
Pain is beauty. Pain is beauty.
Beauty is pain, my dear.
Yeah, I just want to take it right here.
I'm making little bottles.
I know.
Oh my god. Okay.
And there you go.
Try to make it
That's hot. I mean, who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that style?
turn around. You need to give the whole look. As you can see, you say the whole look there. It's very natural.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's kind of cute.
It's hot. Okay, you need this.
You like this?
Ow.
You think that boy's cute?
What? Yes, you are super hot. Ow. Ow.
Okay, let's show you tomorrow.
Ow.
I guess time to go.
Bye.
Can I?
Bye. Bye.
Ow.